Hi, I am posting again. I wanted to give up since none of you seem interested, but I am young and wanted to try again. Please comment something. Nice, this took me an hour. Hi, so I'm so sorry for not posting. BC, a lot of people hated me before this, PFP, and I changed it many times, but ever since my cat died, I felt depressed all the time. So I changed it to this name and this PFP. I made Dandy World vids, but I never had time to edit better, and I always tried my best. But this is an old iPad I am on, and my dad gave it to me, so I never stopped using it. My storage got higher and higher, so I couldn't edit or make more vids. I kept on trying to find ideas, like solo runs, but my highest solo is floor 6. Which is embarrassing, BC. I have all tunes but mains. I hope this gets a lot of views, BC. I am a young person drawing this, which took an hour and 15 minutes. I hope you guys are happy, BC. I can try more. The more views I get, the happier I get. And I need views since my views were decaying and dropped to 100 to 200. Have a great day, night, PLS support me. If we're a YouTuber with a lot of views, please tell them to sub to me, BC. I try really hard. I am not forcing it if you want. Bye.